Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Rumela, and in today's video I am going to review two of the very popular vitamin C serums in the market. It is the Minimalist Vitamin C and the Plum Vitamin C serum. Now I used to use vitamin C back in the day, like probably 2 years back, I guess. Yeah, 2 years back, but then I stopped using it for over a year, and now I have been using it for almost 6 months. And vitamin C has, very easily become one of my favorite skincare ingredient. And I cannot wait to share the review of these two vitamin C serums with you guys. So without making the intro any more longer, let's get started. Okay, so before we dive straight into the review, I wanted to mention a few benefits of vitamin C serum. Vitamin C serum is safe for all skin types. Okay, so that is a big thing, because with a lot of actives, they can cause really bad purging and breakouts and all of that stuff for highly sensitive skin types as well. But with vitamin C serum you won't experience all of that. The maximum that you will get is a little bit of purging, a little bit of comedones here and there, or tiny bumps or probably acne that will last you like 2 to 3 weeks. But apart from that, it is very safe for all skin types. It helps to reduce redness, it helps to reduce hyperpigmentation, it helps to reduce dark spots, it also helps to increase collagen production, it helps to protect your skin against sunburn, sun damage and all of that. And also it helps to reduce dark circles. So I do apply vitamin C around my eyes as well. I do have really deep dark circles, and if I don't take care of them even for a couple of days, they come back. So my dark circles are really bad, so I do apply vitamin C around my dark circles as well. They help with that, and they are really, they are one of the most beautiful skincare actives. They do not they do not have a lot of side effects, but they will help to reduce a lot of skin problems. So vitamin C is, it has really become one of my favorite ingredients. It does have a lot of benefits, and it is one of the best ingredients that you can apply on your skin, provided that you apply it in the right form, you apply the right products, you have a proper skincare routine around vitamin C and all of that. You can't just apply vitamin C for one day and not apply it for 5 days, and then apply it for 2 days and again not apply it for 10 days and say that vitamin C does not work. That's not how skincare works. You have to be consistent. You have to do it every single day for at least 3 months to see results. I've seen a lot of people who come to me and tell me that skincare does not work for them. Skincare, a lot of these skincare products, they just claim to be really good for the skin, but they're not. The problem with these people are that firstly, they're not consistent. Secondly, they don't use the right products, and just it depends on a lot of factors. No skincare ingredient will magically brighten and magically give you Korean skincare in like 2 weeks. That's not how skincare works. You have to stay consistent. There are a lot of factors that you need to take into consideration when you dive into when you commit yourself to having a skincare routine. Okay, you have to do it religiously. You have to give it time to work. You have to be consistent, and you have to do your skincare routine no matter how sick or tired you are. I have learned this from my experience. When I'm sick or when I'm tired and I don't do my skincare routine, my skin feels really bad. But when I am consistent with my skincare routine for like a month or even over that, my skin does feel really good. I start to see a visible difference in my skin. So that is something that you need to take care of. Even with vitamin C, it will not miraculously change your skin in 2 weeks or anything of that sort. Give it at least 2 months, and then you will start to see results. Really sorry for all the rant, but I had to say it. Now let's dive into the review. So I am going to compare both of these products. Like, I'm going to give a mini review side by side of both these products. So coming to the packaging, both of these bottles, they come in a glass bottle. This one, the Minimalist one, is a little glowy, and the Plum one is matte. But apart from that, I don't think the bottle is really different. They're just basic serum bottles. The pipette on the Minimalist one is a little classy, I feel, while the pipette on the Plum one is the standard pipette. It's just the basic packaging, and both of these come in a dark bottle, and vitamin C serums are to be stored in dark bottles, and they're to be stored in a dark area. So make sure you store vitamin C inside your cupboard or anywhere away from sunlight, and the dark bottle helps to protect the vitamin C from from sunlight, and also does not let the vitamin C inside oxidize. So both of the bottles are great, just that I really like the pipette on the minimalist one. Now coming to pricing of both these products, the minimalist one retails for $6.99 for 30 ml of product, and the plum one retails for $7.90 for 30 ml of products. But the price is completely justified, and I feel like the price is equal almost, because the minimalist one has only 10% vitamin C while the plum one has 15% vitamin. Since the minimalist one has 10% vitamin C, it is great for beginners. If you are someone who hasn't used a vitamin C ever in their life, you can start with this. This will not cause purging at all. For me, it did not cause any purging. For my sister who has highly sensitive skin, it did cause a little bit of purging, but nothing major. So if you are someone who wants to introduce vitamin C, you can start with this one. Starting with a higher concentration of vitamin C directly can cause purging, and it can cause breakouts and all of that. So always start small. But if you are someone who already uses any kind of vitamin C serum, then you can go for the plum one. The plum one has 15% vitamin C. Okay, now coming to the ingredients, the plum one has 15% vitamin C, which is of course the main ingredient in the serum. Then it has a Japanese mandarin, which helps to boost the performance of vitamin C, and also helps in building, like increasing the collagen production of your skin, which is great. Then it has a Kakadu plum, which is an antioxidant that helps with sun damage. Okay, then it also has other ingredients that helps the penetration of vitamin C deeper into your skin, which is again a great thing. Then it has betaine, which is good for hydration, and it has rose extracts, which helps to soothe your skin. Now the plum vitamin C is free of fragrance. It does not have any artificial colors and no essential oils as well, which means that it is good for sensitive skin as well. It again does not have any parabens and phthalates, so it does not have a lot of harsh chemicals. The plum vitamin C is also a very almost clean vitamin C serum. Now coming to the minimalist one has it is in the base of Centella asiatica leaf water, which is a calming and soothing ingredient. The plum one is in the base of water. Okay, then this one has a 10% ethyl ascorbic acid. Then it has glycerine, which is great for hydration. Then it has sodium hyaluronate, again great for hydration. Then it has acetyl glucosamine, which is 1%, as it is written on the packaging itself. And acetyl glucosamine is again good for hydration. It helps to reduce wrinkles and all of that, so that is a great thing. The minimalist vitamin C also has lactic acid as the last ingredient. I don't know the concentration, but lactic acid is a chemical exfoliator. It is very, very mild and gentle on the skin, and it helps to gently exfoliate the topmost layer of the skin. So that is about the ingredient list of minimalist. Now coming to the final part of the review, that is my review and experience of both these products. Talking about the minimalist first, I started with the minimalist. I did use vitamin C earlier in the earlier stages of my life, but it's been quite a while since I used, so I wanted to be safe and start with a 10% vitamin C. So this is the first product that I use. I've completely emptied this. Thoda sa hi rakha tha for the video, but this is almost empty. And honestly, I loved my experience using this vitamin C serum. I think I used this for almost 2.5 months, just over 2.5 months, utna hi ye tika hai. And I used to use this only once a day in the morning before I apply my moisturizer and sunscreen. So I'll use a toner, and then I'll go in with this serum, and then my moisturizer and sunscreen. So that is how I use my vitamin C. I like to use vitamin C in the morning because when paired with sunscreen, it helps to reduce sun damage as well, and वैसे भी it helps to reduce sun damage. So that is why I like to use vitamin C in the morning, and I absolutely loved my experience. This one did help reduce my hyperpigmentation. It did help brighten my skin, and it also helped with my dark circles. So I really love this vitamin C serum. If you are a beginner, you should definitely invest in this vitamin C serum. Now it did take me almost a month to see results, and you have to be consistent with any skincare product, as I said already. And you also have to have the mental and financial ability to repurchase a product and keep using it to see the consistent results. If you stop using a skincare product, the results will of course not be the same. So if you get your hands on this vitamin C serum and you really like the results, you have to keep buying any other vitamin C product or just buying this vitamin C product to see results consistently. So that is what I wanted to say. But this product did show amazing results. It did take a month for me to see results, but I absolutely loved this vitamin C serum. But I did not repurchase this only for the reason that I wanted to increase the concentration of a vitamin C serum in my skincare routine, and that is when I got the Plum vitamin C serum. Okay, the Plum vitamin C serum, as I said, has 15% vitamin C, and this was also, this one also really helped with brightening my skin. But more than that, I felt like the Plum vitamin C serum gave a very beautiful glow to my skin. Like when I applied the serum and my moisturizer, this one made my skin a lot more glowier than the the Minimalist vitamin C. But the Minimalist vitamin C had more brightening effects. I think it's probably because of the lactic acid as well. The Plum one gave me a really youthful, radiant skin. It did brighten my skin, but not at the rate as to what the Minimalist did. Okay, I hope you guys understand the difference. But the Plum vitamin C also did do a great job. ये भी मेरा almost खत्म हो गया, and I've moved to a 20% vitamin C serum, which I don't want to talk about in the video because it's been only a few days since I've started using that one. But you can go for either of the vitamin C serums. This one is a little bit more. This one will give you a little bit more glowy, radiant, youthful skin, but this one will brighten your skin. Or you can do just like I did. You can start with the Minimalist one and go in with the Plum one. But if you want to use just one vitamin C serum, I think the Minimalist one would be great, because for glow you can add like a hyaluronic acid or you can add a moisturizer and you can get the glowy effect. But the Minimalist one does brighten your skin more than the Plum one. But overall, I do love both of these vitamin C serums. That was my review and my comparison of two of the very popular vitamin C serums that are available in the market. You can do your own research and buy either of these serums according to what your skin needs. If your skin needs glow, go for the Plum one. If your skin needs more brightening effect, then go for the Minimalist one. But both these vitamin C serums have worked beautifully for me. The Plum one also did brighten my skin. It's not that it did not brighten my skin, but it did not do it as much as the Minimalist one did. Okay, so that is it for my review. I hope you guys found the video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button down below and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys super soon in another video. Until then, bye bye.